Enjoy the presentation tour. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and 1 half bathroom in this spacious 1,592 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 360-400-3475. That's 360-400-3475. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.